So our budget development program is a way for clients to engage and hire our company to assist them to develop some realistic numbers for an idea. I have too many clients that come to us that say, here's some drawings. We've designed this kitchen or addition or whatever, but they haven't talked numbers because designers don't know numbers, and friends and relatives, they don't know the numbers. Who knows the numbers is the contractor that's going to do the job. So if a client comes to us and says, hey, I want to do this kitchen, the first step is to talk numbers. We need to figure out, are we on the same page for this project? Because if we're not, it doesn't make sense to go all the way through a design. Now, it's nice to have the drawings that we're able to give you a much tighter number. But for the most part, if a client already has drawings, then, or if we start doing the drawing process ahead of time, we're putting the cart before the horse. We need to figure out what our budget is before we start down the design process. And it's a way to lightly engage. It pays for about 8 hours of our time to put together numbers based on your specific project with your specific needs. It's a much more accurate way of doing it.